Alright, what's good? YouTube, this is going to be another live trade video for you. Um, Look, this is DOT. I'm in a short on DOT. I believe there's going to be one more wave up. I could be wrong, but my risk is the risk is in my favor. This thing could tank all the way down here, right about 9%. But I'm hoping that it's actually going to bounce on this moving average right here, and that this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's enlarge this. I know lots of information to dissect real quick, but I'm pretty sure I got this bad boy down pat when you're confident in your TA. The only thing here, guys, okay, we didn't hit this channel up here. I want us to hit the channel. This is a good sign for us. Let's go ahead and open up the order book and see if I should come on, load up. Oh, vertical line, so it's hitting one of my timing indicators. Now this could also be an A, a B, a C. I don't believe in that count because I believe in this count here. Let me get right into it. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. But let's go ahead and take a look at the order book. If it passes, where is it? 67. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm good. I made, how much did I make off that? $80. I think it's probably going to go up in my opinion, but when you got profits, bro, you got to be taking those profits sometimes, right? I believe this could be an A, B, C. So, but I'm more versed in this count here. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, I had my buy right there. That was from earlier. That's actually a buy that I wanted to go long on this bad boy because of the fact that this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just trying to come up with a 5 here. So I have a time line that I'm looking at. I just wanted to, I guess, take my profits in front of you guys. So what happened? Right, let's go ahead and diagnose this trade of mine. I basically caught the top right around in here. I had some limit orders, and I had a stop loss of a 0.5%, which would have indicated that I was wrong on my count here. Okay, so it was a good idea that I took my profits. We're at 611 right now. Let's see where I bought it. I kind of changed my interface up a little bit. I don't know if I like the order book this long. It's just, you know, I like the numbers nice and close, so I can do a nice little quick bang bang like this. Sorry about that. I'll do that on my own time. Alright. Okay. So I'll keep this video open because I think that I probably took my profits too early. I'll be honest with that, but it's okay, man. Like, you gotta, especially when you're scalping a very volatile coin here. So we got filled at 73. We bought at 73, sold at you know, so 20 cents or profit, something like that. And we're back at 60, 66. So we'll see. So there's always two considerations that you're, let's call it, guessing or projecting or predicting. Either an ABC or an impulse wave. In my opinion, like, what do I mean by that? A, B, C, or an impulse wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's what I was hoping on. 5 down here, of course, impulsing downwards, which would be confluent with an A, a B, and then a C. So I'll be patient with my next entry, my buy, down here with the stop loss of like this range right here. This would be a really good buy if you can get here with the stop loss there, but that's a big percentage move, so you have to watch. But that could very well be the very bottom. So yeah. So what I do, I have a limit orders set, and then whenever I know I'm not going to get filled, I go and I market sell. I mean, or I market buy. I get in my position like that. So the reason why I want this to be a down wave is because of the fact that Look, this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a double bottom, maybe a little bit like that, I think. Why do I want that to be the case? Because I don't want this to be an ABC. I want it to be an impulse wave upwards, and I want it to be a leading diagonal, so that if I go back to this chart here, a leading diagonal on a short-term time frame would confirm a touch of this trend line here, and multiple indicators. Now there's only one bullish count here, and this is basically a free technical analysis for the long term of DOT. You know, it's all good. But yeah, basically, like, this is kind of bearish, the indicators, but we're so brand new on the chart, that I believe that DOT could very well go, if we're bullish, go to $8.80. So that's why I'm considering taking a buy on DOT. So yeah, still we got a lot of volume coming up in the market here. So I would like to see that continue, of course. So I'm watching the smaller time frames, but you see how this volume, they're all the same. This is a a free volume, you know, what's it called, lesson. Okay, so watch this, a fat candle to the upside, meaning like a big candle. So that's a very big candle with big volume as well, right? So huge. Huge, what's it called, volume and candle. Okay, we pulled back, and then we came up. Look at this candle, it's smaller than this one. Okay, it's a smaller candle but the same volume. Look at this one, even smaller than this one with the same volume. So that basically tells you that, like, we're about to get a squeeze either to the upside or the downside. But if it's going to be to the upside, we're going to have to continue buying. Therefore, another fund is going to have to continue buying, or the same fund is going to have to continue buying these guys out while they sell. So basically that tells you that there are sellers in these huge candles. Now, when it comes to fundamentals of this bad boy, let's pull it up because I have it up. When I say fundamentals, I'm talking about not the news necessarily, but I'm talking about the total supply. What is going on? Reported circular supply. What is going on with the DOTS team, right? That's what I'm talking about, fundamentals. And that takes a lot of time and research, and that's a huge skill and asset to have on your team if you have a passion to follow, like, to do that type of research. Then that's an asset, right, to the team. And be focused, direct that energy, be focused, direct that, like, into your purpose, you know what I mean, and bring that value to the community. Because if you understand the team and when they're going to be distributing, we can confirm that with the volume and technical analysis on the charts. And that's going to be a recipe for success for you swing traders. We want to know, and we need to know, when the members or the team members, if they're even allowed to sell on market. Because, guys, I'm seeing some signs of distribution in this candle. It's very clear to me because of the fact this was straight accumulation, lots of volume, lots of buys. They're still buying, but there's some selling coming in because the candle's getting smaller. There's some selling coming in, the candle's getting even smaller. We break this moving average and a close below, we're pretty much done all the way down here. Down here is going to be a retest of about $4, and the average VPA, if these guys really want to accumulate. Like, if you look at this sideways, this could be an A, B, C, and the C is forming some type of leading diagonal. So what I really want to see is one more wave up so I can short this mother flipper, and you know, like like actually make this thing go down. Make this thing go down. I want to see one more wave up, guys. One more wave up. Come on, give it to us. One more wave up, so I might long that last wave all the way to either 808, or if it takes form of this wave right here, it could be $7, maybe 808. Anyways, it would be that channel. Okay, that channel right there. So yeah, that channel right here. So that's what I was looking for on the bullish count. This is also a bullish count, but we would come back and retest that same level. Okay, so we're getting some very, very essential touches right here. This 1618, 1618 from bottom to like that 1618. Literally, we got a perfect touch right on it. So that tells me that could be the third wave. That means that we're going to get a fourth wave all the way downwards, right about here. If you want to be more precise, add your Fibonacci extension on the fourth wave. It likes to go to the 382 and the previous fourth wave. There's a other lesson on Elliott waves. I don't mind giving those away because they're just so damn. But it's very important that you understand that this should be the low right here. Let's call it right here. Okay, with the time and all that good stuff, guys. So like, subscribe, comment, share this video to people that you actually want to be a part of your community, because this is a part of your community, right? If you're good at something, get better at it and bring it to the community, share it, so then we can literally make a recipe of success. Okay, I think that we can all build each other up if we're focused and if that's our purpose. I want to see more harmony within our technical analysis, within our analysis. We need someone on fundamentals. Frankie, if that could be possibly you or whoever is good at looking at these projects, these hype coins. But you also have to get your heads out of the clouds. We have to understand psychology. If you're in this market to make money, in this race to make money, brother, you're gonna have to take some profits sometimes, and you can even reaccumulate lower if you want. But yes, I do believe there's going to be another wave up in DOT. I'll be watching that very, very nice and precisely. And yeah, like I said, focus, man, focus. What do you think your skills are? What's your passion when it comes to the crypto space? Why are you here? You know, like, what can you, like, what would benefit like your community, yourself, you know? So yeah, that's all I have for this video right now. If anybody's got any other great coins, you know, Frankie, shout out to Frankie buying at $3, you know, 100% his account or his trade. So that's good. I want to see something like Link, OMG coin, Band. Band was in the pennies. I'm gonna pull up the chart just to excite you guys. We need people on all angles of this game if we want to be truly successful, not for the short term, not for one trade, two trade, three, like for many, many trades. And here we go. Band USDT. I haven't eaten yet. I'm getting a little hungry. So here's Band. I want to take a look at the 3 days. Guys, 20 cents. Okay? 20 cents. The thing's at 18, it went to $18 in 140 days. That's 3 months. 8,000%, almost 9,000%, and this thing could keep going up. And these things here, look, low volume pullback, which means there's not a lot of high selling. Boom, buyers buy up, same thing here, a little bit higher selling, but less still. We broke the top, we came back up, and look at this fat candle. Sorry for saying that, but and we have a spinning top candle. This is distribution. I would put money on it. I would be patient. Let's see if we can see a 5-wave move, guys. This could literally be the top. It looks like it's the so this could be a free trade entry for you people that are serious about trading, are serious about making money, serious about actually joining a good team. I know Crypto Seth right now, he's live right now. He's, actually banging out these trading videos for us. So here's going to be a live basically a trade entry for you foes. So I usually don't like the risk right here like this. Boom, boom, boom. Like for the double top scenario, that's way too much risk. But just like it would look something like this. But it's just an example. I would go then scalp down on lower time frames and try to find a better stop loss for us. But yeah, basically right now you got like 30% as a stop loss, and this thing could go up all the way to, you know, $20. But my whole point that I was trying to say on this chart, here we have to wait a little bit longer. We're at the 61.8 volume profile. This could be going down. You know, let's see bullish divergences. This could come up a little bit more. We'll see. But anyways, what I'm trying to say, there's also not to stop talking, but I see some decent, you know, calls right here that has the same potential as dot. Dot has this pattern too. It's called the cup and handle breakout. Right, so this was the cup projection, and on dot we're literally 1618, right? It's literally the exact same target. So guys, I mean, maybe dot is going to go to $20 as well, but my whole point in this video is saying that we have to look for coins like these that are going to blow up for us to as a community make money together, right? And because once you start making money and you're becoming successful, it makes everything so much funner. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you take this seriously, what I'm saying. Okay, peace. Find your passion and show it. Bring it to the table. Value. Let's go.